Alpha Breakout Lab. Practice like it's real money. Here is something most people do not tell you about paper trading. Even though the money is not real, the emotions are. The excitement when a trade goes your way, the anxiety when it goes against you, the temptation to break your own rules. All of that is real, even with fake money. And that is exactly why paper trading is the most important step before you ever risk a single real dollar. But before we get into it, let me ask you something. Do you want to be rich? If you let me teach you how to trade using my methods and tools, there is a high probability that it can happen. You just need to believe that you can. And let me teach you. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the Zero to First Trade series on Alpha Breakout Lab. This is episode 3 of the series, and today we are diving deep into paper trading. I'm going to show you not just what paper trading is, but how to use it so effectively that when you do go live with real money, you will feel completely prepared.
The emotional reality of paper trading. Many beginners dismiss paper trading because they think it will not feel real. Here is what they are missing. When you watch a paper trade go against you by $200 in 5 minutes, you feel something. Your heart rate goes up. You start questioning your analysis. Those emotional reactions are the same ones you will experience with real money, only multiplied. Fear, greed, doubt, excitement. Paper trading gives you a taste of all of it in a completely safe environment. How to paper trade the right way. Rule 1. Trade the same size you plan to use with real money. If your real account will be $5,000, set your paper account to $5,000. Rule 2. Follow your exact risk management rules. Use stop losses. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Rule 3. Treat every single paper trade as if it is real money. Every single one. Rule 4. Respect your emotions. When you feel the urge to break a rule, practice the discipline of following your plan anyway. That discipline is worth more than any profit. Rule 5. Complete a minimum of 30 trades before evaluating your strategy. 1 or 2 trades tells you nothing. 30 trades tells you everything. What to track in your trading journal. Every single trade, write down these things. Date and time of entry. Stock symbol and why you chose it. Entry price and the setup you were trading. Stop loss level and your reasoning. Profit target and how you calculated it. Position size and percentage of account at risk. After the trade closes, write down your exit price. Total profit or loss. What went right? What went wrong? And most importantly, your emotional state during the trade. That journal is your blueprint. It will show you patterns in your own trading behavior that you cannot see any other way. When are you ready to go live? This is the question everyone wants answered. You are ready when you have completed at least 30 to 50 paper trades following your rules consistently. You have been consistently profitable over at least 60 days. You understand why your strategy works. You have demonstrated emotional control. You feel completely comfortable with your platform. If you hit all those criteria, start with half or even a quarter of your intended account size. Give yourself the psychological adjustment period. There is no shame in starting small. The shame is in rushing and losing everything because you are not ready. Before you trade with real money, paper trade for at least 60 days. Not because the money is not real, but because your emotions are. Master your emotions first, then master the market. Paper trading is not a shortcut. It is the path. Do not rush past this step. Embrace it. The more thorough you are in paper trading, the more confident and prepared you will be when you trade with real money.
If this lesson helped you today, hit the like button right now and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Every share helps us reach more people and keep this education free for everyone. Subscribe to Alpha Breakout Lab for the complete Zero to First Trade series. Drop your questions in the comments below. Are you currently paper trading? How is it going? See you in episode 4.